Here's another helpful tip for using MockLink Fiber TV from your help desk heroes. If you've ever come home minutes after your favorite show has started, you'll really appreciate ReStart TV. It allows you to restart an in-progress program from the beginning with the touch of a button, whether you have advanced DVR or not. From the guide, as you scroll through programs, look for the footnotes in the lower right. If you see a round green icon and the words "Watch from Start," you can simply press the green button on your remote and you can jump back to the beginning of the program. A companion feature is Catch Up, which allows you to watch select programs from the last few days. Just press On Demand and look for the Catch Up folder. Got more questions? Check out our other tutorials here on demand or online at mpw.org and on our YouTube channel.
Okay, so I'm flipping through here. So we have this program and this program. Okay, here's one that doesn't have it. And then this one, oh my gosh, there it is. Watch from Start. How freaking wonderful that is.